Hello my people, today I wan show na how una go take use custom symbols. How una go take get all those custom symbols. Maybe you wan use am for your document, or maybe you wan use am for inside your graphics, any of your design. All those icons, how you go take get am? Make no be say every time you wan use icon you go come go like any search engine. If you go for Google now, come go dey search for image. Icons no suppose to be for image. You fit get all these icons as font inside your computer, and na wetin I wan show una today. My name na Samuel. Make we continue. Now first I go carry una go the website wey we fit get am. We fit use this icon. This one na dem dey call am material design. This one na icon mode, then this one na font awesome. So any of these three na fit work for you. I go show una how to install the three of them, but any of the three na fit work for you. Make I start from the first one. This one na material design icons. I go put the link for inside the description. So when I scroll down here, you go see then the different kinds of icons, different kinds of symbols wey be say you fit get when you use this material design icons. And all of them wey dey for here na free. Everything wey dey here na free. So how we go take put this kind of icons inside this kind of symbols, put them inside our own computer? First thing wey you need to do na to click on this place wey dem write developer guide. You go click on am. So as you click on am, you see this place wey dem write icon fonts for the web. We go click on am sef. So when we click on am too, we go scroll down. The first method wey we fit use am na through Google Web Fonts, but no be wetin we wan do. We wan install am locally, na dem dey call self-hosting. So here we go click on this icon font. When you click on this icon font, e go carry us go there where the thing dey, where dem store am for inside GitHub. So see the one wey we go carry here, material icons regular.ttf. And this TTF, wetin dey stand for here na true type font. Na the type of font wey you fit install if you dey use a Windows PC, or maybe if you dey use Mac. So this TTF here stands for true type font. Another one we fit use na OTF. That OTF there stands for open type font. So I'll click on this one here. When you click on am, what you go do for here now just to click on download. I don already download am, so I no go through that process of say I want download am again. So when I go for my downloads, I open my downloads folder. So you go see am here, say I don already download am. That my material design icon. See am here. Material icons regular. It still be the same thing we did for here. Material icons regular.ttf. So what you need to do now just to double click on them. When you double click on them, it will show you preview. No worry about this way they see here. Then make it just click on install. It will show you this message say they install. So as it did like this now, it don't install finish. So what you need to do now just to go start to the user. Remember say I tell you now say it go show all these kind of icons here. Let us quickly go back here. So all these icons we will see here now, all of them now we fit use. So make I go open my word processing software, which will be WPS Office. Click on documents, click on blank. So make we see them here. Now since na icon and a symbol I want use, I will just go for this insert, then go to this place where I get symbol, then click on them. By default you fit no see your own symbols here. So since you don't already install that material design icons, just click here, or if you just click inside here and type material, you see them here, material icons, then you click on enter. So it will show you all the icons where I shown at that time, all of them. There you go. So anyone way if you say you want use, you could just click on it. When we do this one for instance, then we'll click on insert. Click on close. So you go see say it don't appear for here. So we'll go highlight them now, then increase the size. Increase the size. One good thing about this icon is say no matter the size wey be, the design, the colors, everything still dey the same thing. So even if you like you increase them to make it dey very big or make it dey very small, e no go shrink. Maybe say go come dey say then squeeze am, or maybe say they come like say then stretch am too much. Everything will still dey as it dey be. So another thing wey dey good about this one is say you fit change the color of this one. So I will just go for home, then choose this color. I don't change the color. If na gradient you want use, if you use gradient fill, I will need to select them first, then you choose gradient fill. So you go see say it don't appear for here. So it will just come like normal handwriting for you. So anyhow you want use them, now you go take use them. So now so you go take use get this material icons put for inside your computer. So whether na for Microsoft Word you want use them, or maybe na the WPS Office you want use them, or maybe na for even any of your spreadsheets, or maybe na for presentation, PowerPoint, you fit use them like this. So now one way you fit use get symbols for inside your computer be this. Now another way now to use this one they call icon mode. And be this icon mode. I go scroll down. I will put the link also for the description so that you can see them. So we go come click on this place, so we get icon packs. It will show us the different packs of icon. Anyone way you want, now if it install. Anyone way you want. Anyone way you want. Make I click on this last one right here. The free version here will give us 490 icons. I go scroll down, look to see the icons we go give us. So see the list of plenty icons we go give us. So if you feel say material icons no be waiting you want, you fit use this one self. Anyone way like, you fit use. So make I go back. So here go click on download. I don't already download them, so I no go bother about say I want to download them again. So now be this icon mode free master. So I go double click on them, open this one. This place where this folder with here when I write font, now you go open. When you open them, you go see this font here, icon mode free. You go double click on, then you click on install. So we don't install them like this. So we could go for our word processing software. Go check. Type icon mode. It never appear. Now make you no worry. If you come here, you see say the font never show. Make you no worry yourself. Just close this document. As you close them, you go give your system and this word processing software the time to use process very well. Then open another new one. Choose blank. Now we could go for insert. Go for symbol. Now we could type that icon mode. You go see you go don't come now. See our icon mode don't appear here now. So if you scroll down and choose from the list of different icons we want to use, click on insert. Then the same thing also, we fit increase the size, make them as big as we want. Then another thing too, we fit even change the color. If na solid color we want give them this one, dey there. If na gradient we want give them, we fit even give them gradients. So now so we take get symbol if we say na icon mode or now we want use then be this. So the next example I will show now how to use the font awesome. You know the necessary say you will use all the three options so I give you anyone where you feel say they work for you and na fine. And most important thing we say all these icons, all these symbols we dey na free of charge. You no need to pay any money to use them. We could go use font awesome. We could see. Now font awesome be this. What you need to do now to click on download. When we click on download, you can ask us say which one we want download. Say na for the web, I mean na for our desktop. Since na desktop we dey use, we will use for desktop. So we go just click here, free for desktop. I don't already download them for desktop, so everything it don't already dey for my system. So what thing I go just do now to just go install them. Now for awesome with this, the current version with that. So when I do this video, so this place. Now be the OTF open type font. We go open them. So these three fonts here, now we go install. We install the three of them. So we don't install the three of them for us. So we could go for our word processing software. Check whether font awesome don't appear. Okay, this one appear faster. Okay, saying no day. Okay, no worry. We just close this one. As we don't close and we don't give them time to use process, make a head come down. Press the document, then click on blank. So we could check font awesome. Yeah, it don't appear. So if you go for insert now, go for symbol, then choose this font awesome. This one are for the brands. So make we say now maybe now one brand we want to use, probably Facebook or Twitter, anything. More say GitHub for instance. We click on insert, click on close. So this symbol don't appear here now. So the same thing we'll do for other ones. We fit increase the size, we fit change the color. We say we'll give them this gradient. Anything we do, we would like to do now, we do to do icon. So apart from say we use them for inside our word processing software, we fit also use them for inside our graphic editing software, maybe our photo editing software, maybe for instance like Photoshop. Make I open Photoshop, make I show. So here now I get Photoshop. I'll click on this text tool. To use the font awesome font so that it could bring out the icon for you for inside your graphic editing software, you need to go for this place for the font awesome cheat sheet. Get everything in the called cheat sheets. So this one's the solid icon. So if we won't use any of this one, no, so let's say for instance, say we won't use this address book, we won't use this icon, or maybe we won't use this icon, we won't make it appear for inside our graphic editing software. We could just go back, just check this name here. If you like, we'll copy them. Then we'll go choose the font awesome. Remember I say that one is solid, maybe brands this time. We use the free. Then remember the name we won't use, address card. So here now we go type address card the same way when it be. If you know say you go make mistake, if you just go here, just copy them, and we'll come back, paste. So we'll go choose font awesome. Okay, like I say this are font awesome, so never appear for here. So what thing I could just do, briefly now, say I could just close this program down, then open them again. I'll go for file, new, then we could see. So we'll change this one to the free version. So you don't see now, you don't change to the same icon we'll get here. So any icon where you won't use, just find out for this cheat sheet. So this one are for Bell, and also other options maybe say we fit see for here. But maybe we won't try address book. I could see address book. So this one address book. So any option we want try for the font awesome for inside our graphic editing software, our photo editing software, and so we'll take down. So the next thing I want to show now how to use normal fonts. Maybe you get some font, maybe say apart from symbols, handwritings, them how to get them. If you go for this link with here, thefonts.com, scroll down, you will see some wonderful fonts we say if you use. If you check here, this one here now 100% free. Let me see if you use them for anything. So I will just click on download. I don't already download this one, so I could just go install them. Maybe this great wishes. So just double click to install, then click on here install. So that one are just pure handwriting, so no need to worry ourselves about these things. So I can just delete this one. Then I go reduce the size of the fonts. Then we could go check whether we don't get the handwriting. No, the name now great wishes. Okay, it never appear. So as usual, we just close this one, then open them again. So we'll type here great, yeah, it don't appear. So we just increase the size. Then we could type I love this handwriting. So we don't get that font, and so we'll take it font. So if you need any other fonts, just scroll down. Any way if you say do okay for you, just click on download, then install them, and that's so it could be. So the next one, I to show now how now go to use Google Fonts. How you go to get Google Fonts inside your own computer, locally for your computer. Now as I check here now, font.google.com, let me the link. I'll also put on for the description. You go see this place here. We will get this fonts, all these different kinds of fonts here. All these fonts here, you fit use them for anything you like. Use them for websites, use them for your computer. Nobody could disturb you. It is free to use. I like this one. The thing can really come out very well. I would like to use them for some of them, my headings or something. So to download fonts for your computer, first you go need to select the font. So don't select the font here. Don't show us here say one family selected. If you choose more than one font, just scroll, but because of saying an example they show how to use them, I'll just use this one. Now to download the font to your computer, just carry your mouse, go put them for here. As you carry your mouse, put them for here, you click, it go automatically download the font for you. Don't see I'm say bangers.zip. So I already download them, so I don't need to download them again. So what I could just do now, to just go my downloads, 9 be this, then I will just double click, then I'll do it in install. So make I close this one, then go back to my that say this one don't show, okay, never show. So we'll do the same thing, close them, then open them again, choose blank, then here we'll choose the font. So 9 be this now, so we'll just increase the size. This one a handwriting, no be symbol, so adjust to type. So that's so you go take get both whether na symbols you want get symbols you know dey for your computer. Just go for these different links wey I don put for the description, check them, any of them dey work for you, or maybe you dey find some fonts, some handwritings wey be say you wan use for your special design, you fit use them any of this way. I hope say na enjoy this video. I go meet una again for another video. Abeg make una subscribe. Thank you.